Today I'm transforming myself into Slappy from Goosebumps. I'm starting out by drawing in really cartoonish and exaggerated eyebrows. Then I'm contouring my nose to give the illusion of a small button nose. I'm exaggerating my lip shape and sketching in the marionette mouth. Then I'm contouring my cheeks to make them look really rounded and pronounced. Then with some brown face paint, I'm extending the outer corners of my mouth and drawing in the marionette mouth. Next I'm going in with varying tones of liquid lipstick to define the lips even more. Now I'm going to be highlighting to give my face even more dimension. I really want to exaggerate the new mouth shape and the pronounced cheeks. To set and intensify the highlights, I'm going in with a really light powder. And I'm going in with a dark powder to intensify the shadows. Though I'm a target, but your girl be locked on it. Red dot like a bindi, bullseye hit, she no abuse, nah, she liked it. Then I'm filling in the bottom of my jawline with black face paint to help with the illusion of the marionette mouth. And I'm filling in the waterline with a white pencil to help with that illusion. Now I just have to put on my suit and bow tie and I'm done. The biggest challenge for this look is creating entirely new shapes on your face just by highlighting and contouring. Goosebumps was a big part of my childhood, and I really liked the design of the new Slappy, so I thought I'd try it out. This is a really fun look to wear because you can really freak people out with it. Today I'll be doing a demon look. Because I want a really even base, I'm airbrushing white and concentrating it on the highest points of her face. Then for the contour, I'm airbrushing a grayish brown tone. I'm going in pretty heavy with the contour to really bring out her bone structure. Then I'm taking some red eyeshadow and concentrating it in the inner corners of her eyes. And I'm blending that down to kind of give her a sickly look. Then I'm applying a shimmery red eyeshadow to her lids. I'm adding a darker color in her crease and blending it out towards the contour in her temples. Now for her lips, I'm taking some black grease paint and applying it to the center of her bottom lip and blending it down towards her chin. Then I'm filling in her upper lip and blending the cupid's bow in the outer corners. Now for some tears and black drips coming out of her mouth, I'm using really diluted black face paint. I'm taking it on a small paintbrush and directing where I want the tears to flow. Then I'm drawing a demonic symbol on her forehead. For her hands, I'm painting them with black face paint and then covering the tips with gold liquid metal. Then I'm coating her lashes in mascara. To make her eyes look even creepier, I'm lining her waterline with a red pencil. Then I'm applying fake lashes. Now it's time for the wig and accessories, and we're done. Do you want to see what you look like?
I'm so excited. Oh my God. This is amazing.
I think this look works really well with the model's bone structure, so I'm really happy with how it turned out.
This character is the ghost with the most, Beetlejuice. First step, we're gonna line out the outfit. The trick to this is using a flat brush with water-based cake makeups. I'm coming in with the airbrush to give that highlight and definition to show layer. Beetlejuice has some pretty crazy hair, so with a bit of hairspray and a teasing brush, it'll give it that wow factor. I've gone with a little bit of a yellow tone for her skin color. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna use a stencil for the eyebrows. Now I'm gonna use a stipple brush to give the illusion of moss. I'm using Prozade to glue moss around the hairline. One of the challenges is drawing straight lines. Having the right brush makes the job a lot easier. Beetlejuice is one of my favorite characters, so I had to go with it.
Children, gather round. Tonight I'm going to be body painting the possessed doll, our buddy, Chucky. First off, I'm going to airbrush with an FDA compliant makeup that's safe for use on skin. I'm putting blue all over the torso for the overalls. Now I'm going to add a base coat of red to the collar, wrist cuffs, and shoes. With water-based cakes, I'm painting stripes using a pattern of blue, red, and yellow. With a shield, I'm adding shading and depth using the color black. To complete the illusion, I'm going to cover the remaining parts of the body with airbrush black. With brown makeup and a fine point brush, I'm stippling freckles all over her cheeks. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh yeah, Chucky's knife. The biggest challenge with a body painting like this is creating a doll out of a normal-sized human being.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for the newest makeup transformations from Beauty Well.